Military air assets will perform a flyby to kick off the celebration of the 30th anniversary of the EDSA People Power Revolution on Thursday, February 25. The flyby will be led by the two brand new FA-50 fighter aircraft of the Philippine Air Force. This report.
If you happen to be living near Camp Aguinaldo for the last 30 years or more, and then suddenly hear planes flying over, it won't come as a surprise if high anxiety, fear, and trembling are the natural emotion reactions, for it may just well be the sign of an impending or ongoing military attack or coup d'etat against the government. But the Armed Forces of the Philippines wants to erase that fear, and the memory which causes it by a flyby the Air Forces will conduct this Thursday on the occasion of the 30th anniversary of EDSA People Power. After how many decades the EDSA People Power is being celebrated, this is the first time that the 28 assets of Air Force will conduct a flyby. The planes which will take off for the show's high-speed opener pass are the FA-50 fighter jets, 15 SF-260 turbo trainer planes, 3 Bell 412 helicopters, 3 UH-1D, 3 AW-109 helicopters, and 2 UH-1H choppers which will drop flowers.
Yung kanila kasing pagtingin noon, we are a very close, secretive organization na the camp is off limits to civilians, no? Your armed forces is very transparent.
According to Colonel Noel De Toyato, the AFP wants to show the public the improvements over the last 30 years.
You know, yung flyby na already scheduled for the EDSA celebration is just to highlight the AFP transformation and capability. So yun ang purpose nun. We saw its display last December during the AAP anniversary, and it has just to be repeated para mas nakita at ma-feel ng ating mga Filipinos that their AAP has already transformed.
Soldiers will be deployed to provide security for the said occasions, while 600 soldiers who will join the Unity March. For the people who wish to see the experimental museum inside Camp Aguinaldo, the entrance is at Gate 5, which is located at White Plains Avenue near the People Power Monument. De Toyato said the entry passes for the museum will be distributed by the EDSA People Power Commission. Military police will check for it before allowing entry into the camp. The AFP stressed to follow the rules and regulations once you enter the museum.
After the tour at the museum, they will have an opportunity also to have their pictures taken sa static and kinetic display of your upgraded, modern, capable armed forces just outside the Experiential Museum. Then after that, there will be more people na organized ng EDSA People Power Commission to come in. So to give way for those who are coming in, yung nakatapos na will be directed to go out of the camp. Just follow camp rules and regulations.
Such as, sir? Yung mga basic, sir, na dapat malaman po.
Yung mga provisions of the Comelec gun ban, it's in effect. And may mga security personnel tayo na nakatalaga sa bawat gate, sa bawat corners na madaanan nila. Just follow the directions.